In this video, I'll show you how to use Phantom Wallet Solana. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So what you need to do now, open up your Phantom Wallet. Yeah, so this is it. So there's different things you need to know. You can be able to receive crypto, send, swap, or buy. You can buy so with cash or transfer crypto. So these are the different cryptos you have. So you can be able to as well customize your name and all of this. If you want, you can be able to remove or delete the account. So like there's a whole lot of different things here for you to see. You can be able to edit your profile, share your profile. So like there's a lot. So this is where you can be able to swap tokens. You can be able to swap Solana to USDC, any of them if you want. So this is activity center. So this is it. You can be able to come on here and find different options as well, from tokens, from collections, all of this. So explore it and let me know the very best one that is good for you. So this video is only for educational purposes only. I hope you found this video helpful. See you on the very next video.